Hi guys, so today I'm doing a DIY video that I'm super excited about because it's Christmas themed and I love my Christmas decor. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY ceramic gingerbread houses. I can't take full credit for this DIY. I saw it on a TikTok and I couldn't stop thinking about it, so I bought all the materials to do it and I did it. I'll have all of the materials that you need below. The best part about this is that these little houses are from the Target dollar spot, but if you can't find the houses at the Target dollar spot anymore, I'm sure you can find similar ones online. I'll try to link similar ones below just in case you can't find them, but they're so cute and they have little lights inside of them so they light up, which I think is the cutest thing. But anyways, keep on watching for the tutorial to learn how to make your own ceramic gingerbread houses. The first step to this DIY was a little boring. I just had to tape off all of the little tea lights that were included in these ceramic houses from Target, and I just used masking tape to do that. It made it super easy just to cover the little light part. That way, once you're done spray painting, you don't ruin the light and the light still shines through. I took all my houses outside and I used this flat brown Rust-Oleum spray paint, and it made it really easy to spray paint all of them that perfect gingerbread house color. I just used an old box cut apart to prevent getting spray paint on my balcony, but it was really easy to spray paint everything. It dried pretty quickly and I made sure to get into all of the nooks and crannies except for the inside, which wasn't really important to me. And then I just let these dry overnight to make sure they were dry before doing anything else to them. The next day I used this spackle from Amazon and I watered it down a bit because I tried to use it and it was way too thick. So I just kind of used water and mixed it together until it was the perfect consistency. And then I had a piping bag with a coupler and a few different piping tips to start piping onto the house. For the piping itself, it's really organic, just kind of do whatever you want. I looked at Pinterest for some inspiration, but on a few of them, I just did this kind of shingles pattern with this plain round tip. And then on this house with the chimney, I used this grass tip to give a really heavy snow look, which I thought looked kind of cool. And then on the chimney, I kind of just used that little round tip to give little icicles around the edge. I used the star tip to border all of my shingle roofs, and then I kind of did a cool pattern on top of that one and also used it to kind of give some cool icicles on the bottom of each of those roofs. It was harder for me to capture all of those itty bitty details that I did, but I would recommend playing around with wiggly lines, hearts, polka dots, outlining things, all of that for the windows and the doors, which were the harder parts. The roofs were easy. And as you can tell, all of my lines were super uneven. It really didn't look perfect at all, but I feel like it just really adds to the homemade effect of this DIY. And then once you're done with them, just let them dry for a full day overnight. Then once they're dry, you're ready to light them up and add them into your cute Christmas decor. I love how these turned out and I hope you guys like them too. I hope you guys like this DIY. It's super easy once you get the hang of it. I really love these. I'm obsessed. I don't see a reason to do an actual edible gingerbread house anymore now that I have these fake ones. I'm gonna reuse these year after year until they fall apart. And at that point, I think you could probably redecorate them. I don't see the harm in that. But if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe below and follow me on Instagram at Olivia Frescura, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!